rotating blob of fluid that never settles into rest, the ragged edge of a region in the plane, a weighted inequality that resisted proof for more than 4 decades. In any textbook, these 3 problems sit far apart, but what links them is a single body of technique, the analysis of singular integrals. That connection was the organizing idea behind the Harmonic Analysis and PDEs summer school held at the CRM. Organized by a committee from the UAB, the school brought together more than 40 participants from 9 countries across 3 continents, representing institutions ranging from Princeton and ETH Zurich to Beijing and Singapore. Instead of isolated talks, the format favored 4 mini-courses running across the week, allowing each subject to build as a connected argument. 2 of these courses turned on the incompressible Euler equations, an idealized description of fluid dynamics that still hides elementary mysteries. Carlos Perez completed the program with an invited lecture on self-improving properties, where weak local bounds upgrade themselves into far stronger global statements. From fluid mechanics to materials science, it was a week of deep connections.